Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times before. It's been a while though, but some updates definitely need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that level now needs to be considered a level of resistance. Although I'm going to go ahead and adjust it downwards to make it a little bit more relevant. And that key level now is going to be right here at, let's see, in the near term, the 28-cent mark. So 28 cents is going to be that initial level if the price can stabilize and create some sort of bounce for itself. If the price can get up through there, the next key overarching level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time. And like I said, first hurdle is just simply getting up above 28, and then you can focus and turn your attention back to that purple line right there. So keep an eye on both of those levels right there. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing complicated or anything like that, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today at 23 cents. So for that reason and that reason alone, that is why you would want to consider that the area of support, because that's just finally where enough buying pressure came in to actually overwhelm all the selling pressure that that stock had been experiencing all day long. So is that buying pressure going to remain strong enough? A chart's not a crystal ball in that sense, but it's at least telling us right now that there, was enough people out there that found a good enough value at 23 cents to want to start buying. So we'll see if that level can indeed hold it. If it doesn't, just from a reference point, then the next key level after that, want to make sure that I wasn't speaking an error there, but yeah, this is essentially at all-time lows. But if that, if the level at 23 cannot hold, the next key level after that would be down there at 20 cents. And there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it's not exactly a gutsy call to say that if 23 does fail, especially on a high volume break, then yeah, it's probably only a matter of time before the price at least goes down to 20 cents. So keep an eye on those couple levels of support. But again, areas of resistance right there at 28 and then the 50-period moving average. But yeah, been pretty rough. We'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize things out or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.